Well, today was another good day in Central Florida, and we had our stairs installed today. You can see the shell rock here. It's all like beach shells. It's what they call shell rock, and we had some just some fill dirt delivered today, just some cheap stuff. At first, I thought somebody was stealing our fill dirt because I saw what looked like off-road tires coming out of here, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4 loads delivered, and then 2 loads delivered over there because this was a little low-lying area here and water was piling up. So somebody took a fresh scoop out of there. And guys in this neighborhood, they have tractors and bobcats and front end loaders and stuff like that. So I was thinking they stole some dirt, but as it is, it looks like with these fresh tracks here, the guys who put in the stairs needed some dirt. Sun's going down. It's later on in the afternoon. They're all done here for today, but there's my missing dirt. You can see where they used it over here, and they put concrete cement pilings for the leg posts to sit on. And there's a brand new deck. A deck in a day. Love it. No construction or anything, but there are approved plans for these that we have to put in. Man, look at all the shells. It looks like I'm walking on the beach. Yeah, serious shells. See, that's why they call it shell rock. So anyway, yeah, I guess they brought their own bobcat and they were able to move some dirt around with it. So that looks good. That's the back door. And then the drain field is getting worked on over here too. And the guy will be here tomorrow to reset that tank. We actually had the tank float on us. He had it set once before, and when we had a hurricane pass by here and a tropical storm at the same time, it dumped so much rain that the tank, it was only set in the ground about 2 feet, but it popped out of the ground and started floating. So we still had some work to do on the side of the home. So he basically said, I'll wait till you guys are done. And he's gonna put the drain field here and reset the tank. But we have our stairs and we have our decks. So this is a lot accomplished today. And not only did they do this home, but if you look over here next door, they also did the home right next door there too. Brand new deck, brand new stairs. Fantastic. These should be on the market in just another few weeks after we get our electrical hooked up, get our drain fields done. There's the other tank. That tank also popped. And then we'll do a final grading here and put some grass for around 20 feet all around both homes. And these will be ready to go on the market. So that's it. Just a quick update on my projects here. This is actually in Charlotte County, and things are looking good. Things are looking really good. Very happy with the work they did. Over and out.